The inquisitive truck. Leo the truck is carrying parts of a new vehicle. Oh, look at these big trucks driving on the road. They're carrying sand.
Huh?
Are you going to build a big vehicle as well, Leo? Ho, and heavy, right? Unload the parts. Let's start. A chassis, an engine, a cabin. What's next, Leo? Wheels? No, these are discs for caterpillar tracks.
Oh.
And we need these parts too, so the caterpillars can move. And this is a blade. The bulldozer needs it to level sand, earth or stones.
Oh.
Put in the driver's seat and the steering wheel. Exhaust pipe and lights. The first caterpillar. Oh, Leo, we don't have a second caterpillar. Do you know where to find it? This is Forklift Lifty. He has everything in his shop. Leo, follow Lifty. Choose the right part for the bulldozer. A big wheel? No. A small wheel? No. A caterpillar track? Here it is. Lifty puts it in Leo's body. Thank you. The bulldozer is ready to work. Today, it will level the sand that was brought by the big trucks. Excellent work, Bulldozer. Well done, Leo.